Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lay. I post beauty, self-care, and lifestyle vlogs. So if you're interested in looking good, smelling good, and feeling good, please consider subscribing to my channel. I wanted to do another nail video. I am the type of person, I do my nails on my own. It is a part of my self-care routine. I do like to take the time to actually, pamper myself and make myself look really good. Not really good, but, make myself feel presentable. And it's something about having like your hair and your nails done that really kind of tie everything together. This is one of my nail sets that I most recently did. I kind of go in between having really, really long nails and medium length nails. I also do from time to time do some short nail sets, which I do have on my channel, so make sure you check those out if you are more interested in the short nails. So I do have a variety of nail sets on my channel, so yeah, go ahead, check those out. Right here, I'm just doing my nail prep. Prepping your nails is like super important. You want to make sure you get all of that dead skin off of the cuticle, off of the nail bed, just so that your nails last really long. I don't have any problems with lifting or my nails coming off. My nails last between 2 to 3 weeks. I don't typically go past 3 weeks. I don't typically go past 2, especially since I do them myself. I don't see the point in going past 2 weeks because I don't have to pay someone to do them. And I also like that I can change up the nail style as much as I want because I'm doing them myself. So it is something that you should consider. I have also done polygel. I typically stay between polygel and acrylic. Acrylic has been my new love because I've always wanted to try it and I used to be terrible at it. But once I perfected polygel, acrylic was kind of really easy to jump into. Yeah, think about it. If you guys want me to do some more polygel nails so that I can show you how I learned how to build my structure through that, and then it just kind of trickled over to acrylic, let me know. So yeah, but you just want to make sure you get all of that dead skin off of your nail plate so that the product can adhere straight to your nail and doesn't, attach to that skin, because then once it starts growing out, you will have lifting. So right now I'm just lightly scratching up the surface of my nail and also removing any product from my last set, which is what I had. My nails are super jacked up because I did used to go to like the nail chop shops and they just really mess up my nails. Like the way that they grow, it's really terrible. I have like skin underneath and it just, yeah. So like I can't cut my nails down. So these are the products that I'm using for today's nail set. I used the nail forms. There were these plastic ones that came in one of my, I think it's the Burano set. And then this is the acrylic powder I'm using. I'm using Not Polish Nude Panther. To dehydrate my nails, I'm using my Model 1 Nail Prep Dehydrator. And for my nail bond, I'm using the Mia Secret. This stuff is amazing. I will not lie to you, since I've been using this, my nails do not pop off. I did have an incident with my last set where I didn't put it on one of my nails just to see if it made a difference, and it definitely did. So if you don't take anything from this video, I would suggest getting the Mia Secret nail bond, and just if you don't want to get like the dehydrator, you can use acetone or alcohol to just clean off the nail surface, but definitely do not skip that step. So I know my brush is a little jacked and I actually fixed it after the video, but I'm just kind of building off of that. I wanted to perfect using nail forms and I'm still not perfect at them. Like my nails always come out like all different types of shapes, but that's part of the beauty of doing it myself, because even if it does come off that way, I do feel like I'm not as mad if they're like a little crooked or not 100% perfect, because I did them myself and I'm practicing. So right here I'm just kind of adding the tip and trying to create the shape. I am still working on my ratio, my liquid to powder ratio, but I do think that I'm getting pretty good at deciphering what I need and how I need it to come off. Like right here, this nail actually came out pretty good. It is a little lumpy, but I can fix that during shaping, and I did add like a soft layer of acrylic on top just to kind of, fix that. So I did kind of want to go through a couple of times where you can see me doing it, but overall the steps are pretty much the same. I'm using a nude shade because I am going to be trying to recreate a look that I found on Pinterest and I thought was super cute. I do like these medium to short length almond nails. I think they're really cute. I kind of wanted them longer and I wish I would have done them longer, but the almond shape is cute. It's really cute. Like, I love stiletto, but one time I had stiletto and I literally stabbed myself in the ass, like on top of my ass. I'm not even joking. It was horrific. But so these almonds are really cool, and these are great if I want my nails a little bit shorter, but I'm not trying to go like super duper short. So yeah, these are short for me. So now I'm taking a medium grit sanding band and I'm just kind of smoothing out that nail. I also go in with my 100-180 grit nail file, and I take it's not a cuticle bit, it's a 3-in-1 nail drill bit to get around the cuticle area to seal it. So that's pretty much what I do, so you guys can sit back, relax, and watch a little bit of me shaping. I try not to add too much shaping because shaping takes a long time, but yeah. So now once I've shaped and buffed, this is the nail set that I'm going to try to recreate. I'm using this Model 1 white, so I did do the white on one hand and it came out pretty good in my opinion. Still need to work on some things, and I'm also using this Model 1 black gel polish, and I'm going to be placing this on my little dapper dish. It's like the cute little moon rock looking thing, and I'm putting the black on there, and I'm going to be adding some like sideways French tips, which is really cool. And I'm using this art brush that I got off of Amazon. It's just like, I don't really know what to call it, but it's the little detailed brushes. Yeah, so I'm using that, and anytime I mess up, I take another brush, an angled brush with a little bit of acetone, and wipe it off and try again. So I did this design on all of my nails, so I mean, if you just want to sit and watch, just take your time with this. This took me quite a while because I did have to keep stopping. I had to, you know, evaluate how I liked it. It's cute. It's a cute nail design in my opinion, so just do it to the best of your ability. I did end up liking it when I was done. I do think I could have done better, but you know, it is what it is. And now I'm going to follow up with my top coat. Once everything is cured, I do cure all of the nail polish for 30 seconds in between nails, and then I do a full 1 minute cure once I did the whole hand. For my top coat, I do cure it for 90 seconds. So I do go in for like a minute, I go in for a minute 90 seconds, and I absolutely love the way these nails came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and until next time, beauties, stay blessed.